Hi, my name is Alec. I'm an AI training specialist with Personal AI, and I'm going to walk you through the new Google Drive training automation that we just set up. So what this automation is designed to do is every time you add a new file in a particular folder in your Google Drive, that file will automatically be uploaded to your AI fully cleaned using the Personal AI cleaning tool. So what's happening here is when every time I drop a new file in my Google Drive, we pull all the text from it using Google Docs. Then we get the text from the Google Doc file, and then I instruct my AI from Personal AI to clean the text, and then also to add tags and to upload it to the persona of my choosing here. So let's put this on display real quick. I'm going to come to my drive here. So inside my drive, I have this PAI testing folder. Make sure that the folder is shared and publicly viewable by the link. If you don't have your share options set properly, then this automation is not going to work. So basically, every time I drop a file into this folder, it should go straight to my AI. So I'm going to try this Word document here. I'm going to drag and drop and upload this to my drive, which should then activate the trigger from my Zap automation that I created here. So as you can see, my file came through, the week 2 training tools file that I dragged and dropped into my Google Drive. So if I come back to my documents page, I can see that the document that I had uploaded was uploaded automatically to my documents page, along with the set of tags that I want to include in the document, as well as the proper title of the document. And then I click on that, I can see all of the contents for my document perfectly cleaned, as well as everything in first person, and then also all of the tags that are included from the document that was created by my AI. So all of this stuff is happening automatically through the automation, which will allow you to basically just drag and drop a file to any folder of your choosing in Google Drive and have your AI automatically trained on it and everything organized and cleaned in such a way that the AI can learn from the data that we're uploading to it. So with this automation, you don't have to come to Personal AI and manually upload documents. You can just drag and drop them onto your Google Drive folders. And that's it. Thanks.